Start earning hundreds of dollars just promoting YouTube videos. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Make Direct by Supari, helping you to make money through online. So in today's video we are going to talk we would be promoting YouTube videos with the help of a platform called Fiverr and earn money from it. Before jumping into the website, into the strategy, a small suggestion from my end, guys. You can find a link in my description called Make Direct by Supari. Start working from home today without any experience, tech skills, or a product knowledge. So there is a link in the description. This course would be costing you only $1, and I've learned a lot from it. You can also purchase it and make use of it and earn money, and you can learn lot many online earning skills from it. Okay, so let's jump into the platform called Fiverr. So this is how the dashboard looks like. If you are new to my video, you can find the link in my description how to sign up for an Fiverr, and go to my channel. You can find previous videos on Fiverr. Okay, how to post these 4 different kinds of gigs over there. These are the gigs we have placed earlier. I'll show you clearly. Do SEO on your Shopify store to increase your traffic and sales. Create a professional business cards with ready print. Design premium call to Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook post. Remove background from images within 2 hours. So these 4 are the gigs which we have posted, and there are remaining 3 gigs. Totally 7 gigs we would be working. In future videos I would be doing the other 2. So once completing the 7 gigs, I'll clearly show you how to get impressions and clicks and also orders very easily. So let's jump into our strategy, how to promote YouTube videos and make money from it. Let us see how much people are earning by promoting this kind of gigs on Fiverr. So let's click on switch to buying, and in search bar just type promote YouTube video. That's it. Now let's check. Promote. These are the results which we have found. Okay, see, I will promote YouTube video in 2500 high authority platform. I will promote your YouTube video to 7 million fans until it goes viral. I will promote your YouTube video in high authority platform. I will promote your video organic marketing. See, lot many people are posting this kind of gigs. I will professionally promote YouTube video to real audience. I will promote your YouTube video. They are making $5. See, he have done 445 orders from it, and this guy have done 197 orders from till date. The lot many videos over here and gigs over here on Fiverr. Let's just say a person is making around 200 orders from posting this kind of gig. Let us calculate, and minimum to minimum we would be charging $5 from it. 200 into 5, we can easily make $1,000 by promoting this kind of gigs within a month. Within a month it's quite easy to make. And let's jump into the video, into the strategy, how we would be working. Now let us create a gig on Fiverr. Click on switch to selling, click on gigs, and here you would be having an option called create a new gig. So we are creating a new gig on how to promote a YouTube video. So I'm having a ready-made script with me. This is the ready-made script. You can make use of it, but just pin the words from here to there, change some grammar, so that you won't be come under like copyrights. So what I would be doing, I would be doing viral YouTube video promotion to rank on YouTube. So this is what the service which I would like to give. Now let us select the category digital marketing, and the subcategory would be video marketing, and the service type is providing like audience research. You can choose anyone, but which should be appropriate to your gig. Okay, promotion and distribution. So this is the service type we need to select. Coming to search tag, we need to enter how people would be thinking from their end, like video promotion, YouTube video promotion, video marketing, viral video promotion. So minimum to minimum 4 to 5 tags we need to enter. Click on save and continue. I will do viral video. Save and continue. Title contains excessive use of terms YouTube. Okay. To rank number 1. Okay. Change the title. Do viral. I will do viral YouTube video promotions to rank number 1. So here we come directly to the pricing. So we provide only premium services in basic pricing. So there is no need of any packages. So in premium service itself, we would be like in basic service itself, we would be providing premium services. So name the package. So you can adjust it. Like please continue to watch this video till the end. In middle of the video, I would be showing the strategy where the website and what is the website we would be using and how many links or views we would be getting from that website. At present, I would be like charging $30 for 10,000 views. Okay, or else you can write, we strictly follow YouTube algorithm and promote your YouTube video in the description. Okay, delivery time within a day. Why? Because it would be happen just in clicks. Audience size is nearly 10,000. Social media shares, there's no need to mention social media shares, directory submissions, anything. But how much we are charging? We would be charge them nearly $30. Why? Because we would be paying $20 for the website where we would be working, and $10 would be a profit for us. So click on save and continue, and I'll show you where we need to like make use of a platform and get 1,000 views for a single video by paying some amount from this $30. We would be paying some amount to them, and we would be generating around $10 to $8 as a profit. Click on save and continue. Here we need to mention the description. So I have a ready-made description with me. Enter this. Go here. just give a look over here. You strictly follow YouTube algorithm and promote your video. Where we promote your video, where would be promoting their video. So these are the platforms where we would be promoting. Okay, and I'll give a boost for your video and increase the ranking. So we would be also giving them a boost and also increase the ranking. Click on save and continue. And the next step is a requirement. The only thing we need to we require from our client is their YouTube video link. So mention YouTube video link over here. That's it, and it's a free text. Add it, click on save and continue. Here we need to mention our photo gig photo. So we need to search for Fiverr dimensions, and this is the Fiverr dimensions 550 370 pixels. Come to canva.com, okay, and create a design in that same dimensions 570 into 330. Click on create a design. Now here we need to promote YouTube video, so we need to mention that. Click on text. There you would be finding ready-made text with you. Okay, select one. By visiting, see here, you can visit the gigs already available on Fiverr. Just go to buying mode and search for YouTube video promotions. You will be finding lot many gig photos over here. I'll just copy this boost YouTube video. So to do that, visit Google and search for Fiverr dimensions, and then after directly jump to canva.com. Enter the dimensions. Okay, here how it looks. This is the text I would be taking. I'll edit the text, boost, so it's overlapping. So I'll decrease the text to 64 before. I'll do it for 56. No, 56 is not working. 48 not working. 42 is working. YouTube 53 is not working, so I would be doing it for 42. Video 10 looks a bit small. I'll do it. So this is how you have to do it. You can change the color. Or the complete color, you can change it. You can also find YouTube icon here in Canva. Just search for YouTube in element section. That's it. So I would add the frame for it. Click on download. Position backward. Position backward. Why? Because text is overlapping over here. So click on download. See, it's quite easy to edit photos on Canva. You can search for videos how to work on Canva on YouTube. You would be getting hands-on experience on that. So once the image is downloaded, I'll come over here and paste that image. That's it. Click on save and continue. Now our gig is live. So we have done with nearly about 5 gigs, I guess. So there are 2 more gigs to go, and I'll show you after completion of 7 gigs how we can. Oh, I'm sorry, I forgot to post it. Click on save and continue. already mentioned the description over here. Click on save and continue. The requirement, what is required? YouTube video link. Add, save and continue, and add the gig photo once again. Why? Because I forgot to click on post the gig. I'll show you. Save and continue. Then after, there would be another button to be clicked. See publish gig option. So we should do this, and the gig is live. So we are done with 5 gigs. So after 2 gigs, I'll show you the tricks and tips how to get impressions, clicks, and orders. But as a bonus today, I'm going to show you how to get traffic for this gig, what we have posted now. So please follow the steps. And the website we would be working on to get 10,000 views on YouTube video is Just Another Panel. Search on Google Just Another Panel. So this is the website we would be working. It looks the same as you can see over here. Okay, this is the website. It's quite easy to log in. Just click on sign up, but make sure that you have your Skype ID with you. Okay, why? Because it would be asking for a Skype ID. You can create one. Okay, then after, once you signed up to this website, just scroll a bit down. Here you can see you can find Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, Twitter, TikTok, Spotify, anything. There are lot many services provided by this Just Another Panel, JAP.com. So you can work on this, but our main strategy in this video is working on YouTube videos. Okay, YouTube views targeted, no drop. This is the option we need to select. Okay, and once you start getting orders from Fiverr.com, they would be giving you the YouTube link. So you need to paste that link over here, and the quality is 10,000 views. So they are charging $19 for 10,000 views. So we have posted our gig for $30. This is the gig, and we have posted this gig for $30. So alternately we are making $11 or maybe $10 as a profit. Okay, this is the gig we have posted. So what we have to do is visit JAP, just another panel.com. Just sign up to that website and scroll a bit down here and click on submit. You need to once you get order, you need to like pay some amount for JAP. Once you give any orders over here on JAP, you need to pay amount $19. So after the completion of like getting 1,000 views on the client's video, he would be paying you the complete $30. So you are making like alternately $11 to $8 as profit. We are just doing drop servicing over here. What I mean to say is like paying $10 here and taking $20 from here. It's kind of that way. So we are paying $19 over here, and we are taking $30 from here. Alternately $10 we are making profit. So this is how the website and the strategy we would be working. And coming to the bonus now, I said in the video like I would be sharing you a bonus strategy. So how we would be getting views on our gig. So this is the gig which we have posted. Okay, so how we would be getting views on that or orders on that. So people are very excited for this kind of gigs. Why? Because on their YouTube videos there won't be any views or the watch time. So we are providing that facility to them. So people would be really interested for that. So I'll show you exactly how to do that. Please follow my strategy. Quora is other platform where we would be getting lot many views and orders on our Fiverr gig. So Quora is nothing but it's a question and answer platform where people would be asking lot many questions of any kind of niche, and lot many people would be answering to any type of questions asked on Quora. It's quite simple. Just go and sign up for Quora.com. Then after, once you are done with the sign up, come here and search for how to promote YouTube video. So here are the questions you would be finding. There are lot many questions. Each and every day people would be posting on YouTube video how to promote the YouTube videos. So what I've done, I've just gone to google.com. Why? Because there are lot many questions, so I need to answer with my Fiverr link in the answer, so that people would be seeing it and clicking on it. If they are interested, they would place an order. So what is the main thing I need to do is I need to prepare an answer for each question asked on Quora.com. So I visited google.com, and there I have searched for what is the best way to promote your YouTube video, and I found this article over here, 5 proven ways to promote YouTube videos. Why? Because this article is saying complete details about YouTube videos. Why? You can give a look. 300 hours of video are uploaded to YouTube every minute. So this is pretty good information provided by this website. So I'll copy this information and go search for article spinner. Okay, you can make use of it, article spinner. It would be helping you to spin the article. Why? Because there won't be any copyright issues, so it would be helping you to spin the article. Here I've pasted the input text, and I've clicked on I'm not a robot, and click on spin text. You can find this is the text which got spin. So I'll copy this text and paste it over here. If needed, you can just give a look what the information provided in this answer, and at the end, at the end of the text, you can please mention, for more information you can visit or order for results. And we need to give our Fiverr link, the Fiverr gig link over here. I'll show you. But the question is, like on Quora, when we give our Fiverr link, okay, it may be count you into spam. So what you need to do is you need to create a site, a Google site for your Fiverr link. I'll show you exactly how to create it. Stay tuned. Visit sites.google.com and click on plus icon over here, the blank plus icon. So once you click on that, you get redirected to this section, and enter the site name. Mention it like Google checks. Okay, need not to add any logo, and this is the text you need to enter. Okay, click here to continue to your destination. So on click here, keep it bold, and click on this insert link and insert your Fiverr link, where you would be finding your Fiverr link. So click here on the gigs, click on the gigs. Okay, click on preview. So once you click on the preview, your gig would be opened. Copy the link over here, okay, and visit Google Sites and insert link in here, and click on apply, and click on publish. So website address, what the website address should be mentioned. You can enter anything, like, see, here is an example. After sites.google.com, view, here you can enter YouTube views maker, or else Google check made, anything, but the number should be available, the link should be available. The name contains forbidden words. I'll remove Google check made So this is how our link looks like. So copy this link or else click on publish. Here copy this link, come to Quora. Okay, this what is the best way to promote your YouTube video. Okay, here in Google Doc you have pasted the article, paste your site link over there, copy the article, come to Quora, click on what is the best way to promote YouTube video, click on this. Here you would be finding answer option, click on this answer option and paste your answer. See here you would be finding home, so let's check. Okay, we'll enter here as Google checks, publish. So here in Quora answer, the answer is placed and click on submit. Done. This person, if he's interested, he would be clicking on that and he would be visiting this page. Why? Because the information which we have provided is legit, and once he click on this for more information, it get directed over here. So once he click here, so he jumps directly into our Fiverr gig. So if he's interested to buy this gig, then he would be surely clicking on continue and paying $30. And once we get an order, we directly jump to JAP, and here we would be placing an order for $19 and $10 we would be making profit from it. So this is how we need to work. And there is not only one question on Quora, there are many questions we can keep on answering, like with an interval time of 15 minutes in between for each answer. You can easily earn, like you can easily get 2 to 3 orders per day. Why? Because many people are interested in this kind of services. So you can track everything in Quora also. Okay, once you place an answer on any question, you can track the analytics, you can track the statistics over here, how many people viewed it, how many people upvoted it, how many people visited your Fiverr gig also. So once view started over here, you can also track the analytics in your Fiverr, buying, selling more. Here you can track the analytics, how many people are visiting your Fiverr account. So if they're interested, they will surely buy and you can make profit of around $10. So guys, if you like my video, then please do subscribe and hit the bell icon. Why? Because it would motivates me to make new videos and come up with very new strategies every day. Thank you guys and have a great day. Bye bye.